The use we jai.
Bemena.
Was we got
say Oma.
No problem.
Aya ne madam ni benya problem.
Also already maybe on net ne sama be share. So you keep you very fine. So be awko.
Nyame adom be fine. But one thing is clear.
Yeah.
Carlos creates a buy, so why never be a my crown my idea back, which is very, very positive.
Yeah.
Defensive solidity.
Yeah. Yeah.
Top notch.
Yeah.
Me say, walk up we. O they say you free mukra e group stage. Idea back ko America say Carlos creates a buy. Or they aka ye team no a defensive solidity. Because previously, Ghana nearly kick goals goals near leaky papa, especially your couple tournament there. Yenya Salisu, Enya Jiku, Enya 1 or 2 players. If you so many status in our game, now you defensively, you team solid. I think I'll say a ball, Papa na basu, papa. Why are there time no conti and voice in the meantime more? I do quite maybe 1 hour the room na. Emfa time no enquire.
I think I have to start with the front page of Sun.
The Sun for the day.
Who say Sun is one of the biggest papers in US or England. Now after the game, Thomas Tuchel coach Jude Bellingham on him. And I didn't say you know so now from Senia Accra Bibia Tona ne papa catching say Bibia be fine. To Basie. And I like this from whoever rules the front page. Say don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is Ghana be alright. And talking about the fact saying we were very, very tough, difficult for them to break down. You know the results now against the English. Yes, and the 3 maximum points now, but 1 point. I think say me about game you na menin challenges because we had a penalty, stonewall penalty in our man from my. But again, share the dynamics of how knockout group stage football before you get to knockout at here. You would have to understand the progress we've made with Andra game nearby, which is the most important thing now. Which I think that Carlos Queiroz as a person, only just a good coach. Queiroz has shown say, or you're also a very, very good manager when you look at him. And Abra Yebo na ye weird match no. I realized this thing from my brother friend Carlos Queiroz, who is the coach of the Black Stars of Ghana. And it was this image, and that's where I want to start from. Rich Oye against Panama, and he did it again against the English. Na Carlos Queiroz echo a lap of appreciation to the supporters. Adie Bakwa Yabra win recent times for Ghana coaches, the connect between the coach and the people of Ghana. And you can several times, Rich. Black Stars are very important, especially to the nation Ghana. And for Carlos Queiroz to quickly look at this part, or call Ghana for him, to thank them, and then go around it and go and say thank you to Ghanaians. No, for me, it was a brilliant thing to do. Rich, say, every aspect of the analysis here, Babeya. After this preamble of Carlos Queiroz as a very, very good manager, you also need to understand something that was clear. Our game at your boy anymore. Rich, in the 90 minutes of football at your boy, you know, Harry Kane in just 19 touches. The whole of the 90 minutes of football that we played, Harry Kane in just 19 touches per and a Harry Kane in again. After the 19 touches a Harry Kane in throughout the game, you know, only just 3 touches over your boxing. And Harry Kane is the most important player for team your friend England. Who pay England for 1 year? Every day they play and how they want to get results. The most important player your branch your friend Harry Kane. So for this man, how are you the coach of the Black Stars to set up a tactical system to restrict the most dangerous striker? In fact, if you ask everybody, the best out and out center forward, what we are seeing, Harry Kane. Yes, arguably somebody can bring Erling Haaland, But over Hurricane here, he is one of the best. To limit him to just 19 touches, to limit him to just 3 balls in the box, tells you how important the game plan and Carlos Queiroz was on the nights. Rich, that is the only preamble. If you say you're an analyst, now we are where to sort. So we say open data. Now some person the eye test account, the tactics count. The most important thing that tells the story in just 2 sentences or a few words is the fact that Harry Kane, already the most important player for England, and your overall park in Subebiano, 19 touches per Then the most dangerous part of the foot of player, your box only are just 3 touches out of the 19. Rich.
Coaching.
Pure coaching. Coaching. Nothing else but the coaching. Rich.
Tell passes never corner because on the danger man.
Yes.
So pass now go ah. Say obey me passenger.
Limiting.
One limiting no.
And in this analysis, we will look at the specific things that Carlos Queiroz in setting up the team, the structure. There are even things like emotions that I think he worked on behind the scenes that brought the players to where they did. Because Obekaya, Blasters funny they can go to US, you know. They did some exercises player bonding. No ma kotina no mo share video no be so mo ye quiz. O sa team we Ghana 2006 when they share go away to keep the boys together. It is all of the emotional work Carlos Queiroz had done psychologically to make sure say some platform in the boys on the structural and organizational level now they will be able to play and deliver the results on OPE. Against Japan, you lose 2-0 in a friendly game. Against South Korea, you lose 1-0 in a friendly game. Against South Africa, you lose 1-0 in a friendly game. Austria sharing 5-1. Germany sharing 2-1. Mexico sharing 2-0. But just when Carlos Queiroz officially took over, above 1-1 against Wales, was 1-0 against Panama, and then Nhyira against the 3 Lions, the biggest opposition so far, Carlos Queiroz abudro 0-0 in an unprecedented game. Boy in Boston. What happened in the game? Rich, so around 2 p.m. and about 3 p.m.
3.
And I'm a dropping line up the Mamu group in him. And the big question from your producer Zando was that margin of error near saying, and one the better pull in my mind. And if you go back to your group, one of the things I mentioned was that goalkeeper no one the bigger problem because the source is not too sure. But me assure for all of us, even for me list of players as early as that time. Now me confident to post or to tell anybody because of Inaki Williams. And I'm sure it was sure for everybody. Obi who Inaki Williams did on the starting 11. Say, why Inaki? Let us verify again to go and see if it was a branch friend Inaki Williams who went in to go and play some match. Which you call game in a 4-1-4-1 that can look like a 5-4-1 or a 4-5-1 based on Senania Persia boy born. Me and can't that. Say, so for England 4 team now, which only on mobile, it is more or less like a 4-2-3-1. Our park in Fiifi say. Then they control possession and isolate our players. No, I see. Now, minim see a Nyoma Bayer 5 that gave us the results. It's the most important player we had on your list of players here, boy, was our branch friend Thomas Partey. Partey was the most important player, followed by Jordan Ayew, and I will explain. Especially mentioning Jordan Ayew, himself will be resume eyebrows. But the most important player in starting 11 was Thomas Partey. Adintia. Which medical catcher say, you're limiting England for no any Hurricane to just 19 touches and just 3 in the box. Now, to do that, we don't have to allow the balls get to him. That is how come Abesa. England for no ball in a 4-2-3-1. But when we get a ball now, it becomes a 3-2-5. 3-2-5, no, or Declan Rice in the right half space, or a branch friend Jude Bellingham in this half space. Then you have Elliot Anderson here. Sometimes either of Rhys James or Jet Spence will come close to help in terms of ball progression. Now, based on the way I boy, your plan was that you keep it Thomas Partey just shadow marking constantly Hurricane. In the house space, they will find on the right sometimes they can rise. They will find on the left sometimes with Bellingham. But for Hurricane, the ball should not get to him. Because the ball Jude Bellingham, he is looking for Hurricane. Say Conor Madueke or right hand side or per Hurricane. Eba Anthony Gordon one Hurricane. So tactically on paper, the most important player to keep the plan effective and to keep England phone in check was a branch friend Thomas Partey. But even before we go to Jordan, Rich, performance-wise, for me, our best players were our fullbacks.
Sanayana
Gideon
Mensah.
Especially Marvin Senaya.
Charlie, that's Senaya guy.
Rich, I told you I'm a dream. I'm in tea.
Unse oye player, oni a players no more born che.
Yeah.
But the way I was here slot in a team like ono mo ba because ono mo be 5 years, 3 years.
Rich, the story of Senaya is very interesting. Because Marvin Senaya no ni papa eboma Togo for national team. And
I should Togo for no
onya a chance because ono as a young boy, oh you know, not they be never and they have lineage to the Volta region of Ghana. And no say and there was an interview he did say on any mama any papa what's national mo say no. Omo nationality for Togo, Ghana and France. But France no, he won't get the opportunity most likely. Ghana gives him a best chance to platform him. So he wants to choose Ghana. My problem is that Rich. And now son can me a job to say thank you to Otuado for maybe or yeah. But on no one in your maybe a one need, you know. It's difficult for me to even give him the thumbs up. Otuado na de Marvin Senaya buy. Otuado na ma Jerome Opoku ni debut. Otuado na de Ajete eba be red team nim. Otuado na koko Fred Calibre nchi eba ye. Almost all the important young players away a team nim ene. It was Otto's work of scouting. Ni pool of players no kopo mobile or the mobile. But say who the Marvin Senaya ba. Now ukibeka chere say uni rights back and then that you don't play the young man. Then that is a big problem that you have in there as coaching. But let's move away from him. Rich, how was it that Marvin Senaya was so good in closing down a branch of Noni Madueke? Because the biggest threat of the English is Noni or the ball neighbor. But constantly, or by line, Marvin was there, or by inside, Marvin was there. Rich, the job of a branch of Noni was brilliant on the left hand side. Say Ujai Anthony Gordon. Say One Abrentia friend Gideon Mensah and Koha. There are two things Anthony Gordon would like to do. Obebo one also offer Gideon Mensah no ordinary pace no. ABT Abrentia friend. But because Gideon Mensah did be no money space, now or standing in the right position, you know, it was very difficult for Abrentia friend Anthony Gordon to exploit the spaces. The second thing was that if you leave that space, Abrentia friend Anthony Gordon cuts in here and then go to fix the game. In Tushaya, Bonuko wide area Biana, there was Gideon Mensah doing his job, then Kosisibo was doing the job also next to him. And I told you and I said the most important thing that we can get was the work rate of Kosisibo. Left no jaho, right no jaho, being so much of a workaholic. Rich Sani Emma made the tactical and technical job of Thomas Partey pretty straightforward and simple for him. It was cut out for Thomas Partey. When I senior man, Shadow Mark Hurricane, almost every time, use idea coaches different shadow cover no, to protect and block the passing lane to Hurricane. Again, say Bonnie Mukema, make sure say constantly, because you are the senior most defense midfielder with team, any player with team, and organize the back line. It's Bonnie Bok Nakem. No say Partey constantly. There was a time or no Partey any J ball, and the Coco came. Then he called Calibrinci to organize the back line and make sure that they win the ball back for them. Which at every point in time, say not one ever be BT a midfield trainer no more year Juma boy pan. Na Eben Fiifi say these two centre backs were brilliant.
Say Jonah Ajete, a man for friend Sergeant Ajete.
They were spot on and he deserves to be Sergeant Ajete.
The player at a point, a man for so undeserved when a collab, unmerited collab.
Rich, anything.
Oh, Jonah,
anything in Nhyira passports will constantly be market leaders in this business. Because I remember when we were analyzing the score, we constantly said, say, in football, and you just no, it goes beyond that. And for young players like Jonah Ajete, you give them time. Because before we play this arm, then you see more from him at the club side. Rich, away from putting their bodies on the line, maybe Nhyira 1 or 2, and I'll say it at the end for you. One of the things I need him say apart from open play, no more the ball be free about central area progression. Now England phone bet media high was from set place. And then if anybody has the chance to reach to Grigor de Graaf, who is the set piece coach of the Black Stars, they should remind him that he has done a brilliant job for us. The defensive organization for set place was brilliant. England phone used to your friend in the blockers. Into constantly they were blocking us. But Rich, we did something very, very basic and simple. Your center back, you know, 6'2", 6'3", I think beyond 6'3". Into Omowa, Obi to say Jerome Opoku Onwa. Then Jonah Jetewa. The job of for us, see a defending set place, was to use their midfielders as a screen. Into Ubroki Omwa. From the first pole, you better pinball a Rich, Unim say out of the 19 crosses in the box, you know, Ghana were first to the ball, 16. It's your ball cross the bar. And your Ghana needed to ever pen first. Every box in him. And it is from defensive organization and then using your aerial ability from Jonah Ajete and your branch friend Jerome Opoku to constantly be in the box and having your players be first to the ball tells you how much of a good organization have gone on from the tactical team defensively, from the set piece coach. No, brilliant job. In the reach, Omo Peja Bono, na Jerome Opoku, pine. Omo Peja Bono, na Jonah Ajete, pine. No me Peja Bono, na Gideon Mensah, pine. No me Peja Bono, na Thomas Tepate, pine. Constantly, we were first to the ball. Rich, the only time throughout the match, meaning so before me who say England for were first to the ball were twice. One, it was Elliot Anderson on the edge of the box in that area. And two, was born and Nico Reali Pemia, a ball crossbar, Hurricane and Yaeseno. Those were the clearest chances. I mean, who see ya two cross to your box team. England for were first to that ball ahead of us. So we defended good 1v1 with your area, with your wide threat, winning your battles. We did it to the fullbacks. Tactically, we were smart in setting up in a 4-1-4-1 and Partey had a technical and tactical job to block and shadow mark the job of a branch friend Hurricane in this area.
No, do baby na no I confused. They were not Gideon a man one like on man space.
Yeah.
Born a banner is either say or the nababo born not 20 and or chuno but down or the edge ball. And Utu say, I know I can England team no coffee. From maybe our goalkeeper and I mean no but from defenders my gain ma to Hurricane Omujina Park in the na go ne mine it was my confused then you better to break them down.
Sabono and when you say the more only be boss na heading so breaking it down the more frustrated you become. At half time so fights kakra bi broke between Jerome Opoku and Jude Bellingham.
No, Jude Bellingham didn't know ye.
Say no,
your points on the jumping so to be ground.
You're trying to make sure say you get something out of the game. And
go and hear a moment.
Say oh no, why frustrated? But that is what we show you. And yeah, cast about the winning match. Yeah, game plan no. So you break us down and get the win. Rich, and you just a defensive job, and that's why me taking my time in explaining to your TF4. And like I said, I have 5 things. 1, you winning your duels in wide areas in your fullbacks. 2, the technical and tactical job of Thomas Partey as a shadow blocker, blocking of the passing lanes to a branch friend Hurricane, and that limited him to 19 touches and just 3 touches in the opponent's box. 4, the use of hard-working screeners in Calibre and Sierra branch friend Kosisibo, just so you better preventing boys from coming inside and then marking England for CMs no in the house basis no. Sibomo did a brilliant job with that. 4, the job of a branch, the 2 center backs no in set pieces. 1, the credits can go to the set piece coach. 2, it can go to the height of also the players. And reading of the flight of the ball to the extent say England for bigness Arsenal, which is comes to set plays almost every time we were first to the ball. Then comes this man, Benjamin Asare. Adiaba kwa mempe. And then culture. And he said, almost every time we want to say how good Benjamin has done, and I say we want to say how good Atizigi has done, your man here say a downside of the other. who say idea back be high team no. Still I've not seen it from the goalkeepers. Mitie Benjamin Asaria, he doesn't say things as a snide comments to Atizigi. So nya successor. Say Mitie Atizigi, he doesn't say those things. And then after the game, Fatah Udauda called Gasper, called Benjamin Asari, and called their goalkeepers for the goalkeepers union not to come together and then they celebrate it in their own. Because which goalkeepers are human aiding. Forget about what people say about organization or the man short in ma and a short, forget about that. Because which most of your blockers, one shame here, you take a lot of the credit from your defenders, no, and give it to Benjamin Asari alone. But it was a collective job.
Sure. I agree.
Share the way your box crosses the defenders number the pin. Share the way players who put their bodies on the line to defend. Look at the technical job of Thomas Tepper table. It was a top job. Yeah. But there are certain things. When Benjamin Asari was called to do his job, he did it all. Yeah. And you can give him 80%, 90%, 70%. Edwin and not Benjamin Asari.
No, as I agree, Bobby now, Bofa for me.
Bukayo Saka. Who said before that now you care about no Chinikiam, no more no Chinikiam, but 2 saves. 1. Bukayo Saka cutting in, Sabo and show Bia Premier League in him. Benjamin looked at the flight of the ball and no call from or you won if you want. And reach last minute, no. Omubo corner kick Bia. He make us a debut. Your centre backs never be first to the ball. No. The very first time I am seeing Benjamin comfortably rising above corner. You were 2 PA. What did he say? He born a call. I want to say, Benjamin Asari is why in the Juma. After everything, Obi in the Juma. Rich, finally, Jordan, you know, Bono, I thought there'd be a here and that from a fan's point of view. But Rich, in the first half, it was Jordan's job to keep us in the game and wind down the clock. Do we have here boy a Bono? So, Ujina England for no Bono, they are a type of sustained pressure. Which are Ushadia. Say England for the penny and eba yeti. No bono, omo boneba, no margin quick long the no margin quick long the car. As soon as there was a high tendency they could have scored in the first half. But because of Jordan's hold up play, Bonnie came na eba bekanin sa. Or did them edam a game also, or domoso, then he gets a foul. Or twisted technique near foul. It wind down the clock and took away the intensity from England for the style of play. No. So yes, Jordan may not be a 90-minute player. He may have his issues. But I'm really in a system like that. Jordan was very, very important. I was matching him. And for me, I think that genuinely was an excellent job done by Carlos Queiroz and in the matter. Now England for them no problem kakra. Maybe Thomas Tuchel will now think of why I didn't see the 1-5 for food in the Kupa Mama. Because Sabo
here ball jugglers.
Hey, you ball. And now you wing another wing aba. No way number 2 and number 2 aba. You Nico right now the just spend.
Go again, me say don't hear ball jugglers.
We here for the money call the more. Near Bobo no 10-year PN call, but they didn't have it and as a Ghanaian.
And so on anopay. All the English tabloids are more story or more bashing in the because of Kupama and then for Foden.
Even Harry Maguire. Those set plays and diagonal balls. You need Harry Maguire. Centre backs, the one is simple. No, we have Babanche. You need Maguire. And that is the strength of Obi to say Harry Maguire as a player. Nana, only you are the numbers. No, we say Ghana qualifier.
Oh, qualified, they qualify.
Now permutations better now. I didn't ever qualify. More to the qualify.
Yeah, new grocery gear come down near baby.
Which
no coffee, send your baby be save you. You see, an open me share a third place.
The best third place as it stands now. Okay, that's second, right?
But say your last round of games.
Yeah,
and to avoid our calculation near the end. What you about draw near 5 points and move on. Simple.
The Croatia for us, the same.
What they say, you grade a third man near Boba because Croatia for no coffee. At the about come who say, Omutim na fena me ya jia to me say, Omu agent as I affect you mutim the Kaka. The Croatia team are in the enemy no. And now, I'm on the Panama Miche. I watched it before me that. And I'm to na from pa. I think that's a yenya kukudro. Yet me kuta boni any idea we can beat them.
Raise my share.
Oh yeah. Especially from defense, you know. me who say tokro them a 2 pause. Say you take your chances here. I do the coffee to avoid that calculation near the end. But I get Croatia but draw.
Yeah.
Then you're 5 point the simple. Oh, I mean I'm in pet. So calculation away boy we na way it's never we no one qualify now to the but draw. Out there worst case now but draw. Then you're 5 points. Now for and but record Yagusu is the only African country young consider.
In fact, in the world, there are only about 4 countries.
And your second game be about World Cup be a record no so.
Only about 4 countries are World Cup.
Sure, I'm consider go. I think Argentina,
Spain, Mexico, and Ghana.
Yep.
When in all of that, yes, you are considered the most shots, but still you consider go.
Okay.
It tells you the testament of your centre backs and your back line.
Now, Brand TV the message be by him depa. I'll say a friend of Kofi Bismarck. I say I'm happy that Salisu Muhammad and Jiku couldn't make it to the World Cup because we wouldn't have. I'll say I would have denied us the combination of Jonah Ajete and Jerome Opoku, and it's true. Senkam 90 million baya. Me Kofi me see about World Cup. Adia bakwa na mjem chichempa. Or Jonah Ajete pairing Jerome Opoku.
Oh yeah.
Because oyempe omoda.
Yeah.
And a World Cup was near Kobo. Uche a coach here when you enough time to train the team. But I think that Emrantin Mienu has done a good job.
Rich, and Obi 8-year analysis no. Na the prediction I mean make is like a game will end in a draw. No? Apparently now called bet we are now 15 odds. For the 500 series and a two so.
And there's one first cow.
We did close to 10,000 series with bonuses.
And we are for number no.
And I me cry me family number man.
And then the no nya Masa choco ni
enko. Me say
there's a point of follow watch.
E ka ma buyi. Obeka krawa mi.
Dale e ka de bia ba. You are going to get the moment to that. And on your band by force, you boom boom. I say, the coach need to die. For coach need to die.
A World Cup matches in Kwa. Say now, Cano. Last set of matches, near one double. 5 games of the World Cup. First one, A BW 5E 94966A. That is the first one. Second one, A BW 5E 94D332. Third one, A BW 5E 950F1B. Fourth one, A BW 5E 955680. Fifth one, A BW 5E 9598B. And the last one, A BW 5E 95B842. Rich. 10th anniversary, you know, still that's so coso.
Okay.
And Okona you scratch and win now. You get a lot of prizes and you stay this.
That is the more reason why as I was taking to a one's bet.
Yeah.
And a betting companies ni na unique. Them back up. Enti I also want to me and no more I predict and win. From McBerry Biscuit. My catcher say predict and win no sponsored by McBerry Biscuit. The tennis all predict